Hello everyone. So in our previous video we have discussed about characteristics of list and what is indexing in a list. In this video we are going to discuss about mutation in a list and how to add elements to a list using functions like append, extend and insert. So let's get started. A special feature in a list is mutation. Lists are mutable. Mutation in a list. Mutation means the elements in a list can be changed. Let's see if we want to change this element number 7 to 99. So we have to write list and the index of 7 is 1, right? So in the brackets 1 equals 99. And let's print the list again. You see now 7 has been changed to 99. It's called mutation. There are three main functions which helps to add elements to a list. Let's learn about those. Adding elements to a list. There are three functions. They are append, extend and insert. Let's try out this now. First of all, let's print our list. This is my list. Assume that you need to add an element to the end of the list after this last element. Let's say if we want to add number 4 to the last. In that case, you can use the append function. List.append and within the brackets, you just type the element you want to add. Now let's see our list again. You can see the element has been added to the end. You can also add another list to the end. List.append within the brackets and within the square brackets, we can add our sublist. Let's say it is 9, 10 and 11. This is our sublist. We need to add this sublist as an element to the end of this previous list. Let's print our list again. You see 9, 10 and 11 has been added as an element at the end. This is called append function. So let's learn the difference between append and extend. Let's say if I want to add another list, not as an element but as a list to the end of the list. In that case, I am using the function extend and within the brackets, this is my list 45, 56, 78. So if I use this extend sublist, this is added to our previous list not as a list but as individual elements. Let's print our list to identify it clearly. You see, in the extend function, elements are added to the list as an extension to our previous list. So what is insert function? Insert function means you can insert any element at any point in the list. If you want to insert number 99 in the middle of 2 and 7, so in that case 99 will be index 1. So I am using list and insert function, and here I have to write the index first. Index will be 1 and then my element. So it means 99 to be added to the index 1. Index 1 means now it is 7, but it must be updated with 99 now. So 99 has been added to the index 1. Let's see another example. Let's say I want to add 110 to index 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. It means here I have to add 110. So it will be index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. List dot insert 4 and 110. Let's print our list. You see 110 has been added to index 4. So these three functions can be used to add elements to our list. I hope you are clear on mutation and how to add elements to a list using functions. In our next video, we will learn more functions related to list.